Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the UKG Ready app works and whether it's a useful tool for managing workforce tasks like time tracking, scheduling, and payroll from your mobile device. UKG Ready, formerly known as Kronos Workforce Ready, is designed for both employees and managers. Employees can clock in and out, request time off, check their schedules, and view pay statements. Everything is accessible through a simple dashboard that updates in real time. The app supports push notifications, so users get alerts for schedule changes, missed punches, or approval requests, helping to keep everyone on track. For managers, UKG Ready includes a full suite of tools to monitor attendance, approve time-off requests, view team schedules, and even make schedule changes. It syncs with the desktop version, so any updates made in the app reflect across the system. Managers can also use the app to track labor costs and make data-driven decisions using the built-in analytics features. The app is secure and requires a company-specific login. That means you'll need your employer's credentials to use it. Some users have noted that logging in can be confusing at first, especially when trying to find the right server or organization code. UKG does offer support documentation, but depending on how your employer configures the system, the experience may vary slightly. Overall, users say the app is reliable, though some mention occasional glitches or long load times. It's best used in conjunction with guidance from your HR or IT department, especially if your company has specific settings or custom features enabled. As a mobile workforce solution, UKG Ready succeeds in offering flexibility and convenience for teams that rely on accurate scheduling and timekeeping. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.